This is a monthly customer. He got him a brand new car, and he called me up and said he wanted it detailed and a wax job put on it, buffed out, polished, and waxed. I've been doing his cars for about a year and a half now. So we're finishing up the wax job. We had to kind of, on new cars, the leather is very dry. It looks nice, but it's super dry. So we went inside and show you what we did. Moisturized the leather. It's on the inside. Looks real good too. Yeah, he called up the car dealer and they brought this out to him all the way from Bellevue, Washington. And they took his other car back. That's what you call service. So, this was super dry. Now you can see it has some shine to it. And what we use on it will protect it also too. So, and he takes pretty good care of his cars. So, it'll stay like this for a while. I come once a month. We come out once a month and do his cars. I've been doing that for a year and a half, which I already said. Here's a couple of dogs, so I have to clean up after those a little bit. Pet hair. Everything, we treat each car like it's never been detailed, so I don't care if it's brand new, right off the showroom floor, it's going to get the same treatment as something else that is not. And cars that, that aren't really dirty, they're actually, I find them harder to do than dirty cars, because you got to look for things to clean, and you got to clean them better. It has to be obvious. So, and there's a third seat under there too. So he won't need a new another wax job for another year, and we treated all of the plastic and all the rubber inside and outside of the cars, cleaned the wheel wells out. These wheels take a long time to clean. We got special tools that we use to clean the inner rim, so all four of those have been cleaned. It's a very tedious job to clean rims like this, but even with the right tools. So we did that. Guess we wipe off the door jambs and we should be done with this one here. And on the World Wide Web, Yahoo, Bing, Google, all those search engines, just put in, and also on Facebook and YouTube, just put in Port Angeles-Sequim, Washington, and then you put in the car wash man. It pop right to the top. And go to it, and you can see all of our work that we've done. Hundreds and hundreds of videos, hundreds of cars, probably 100 motorhomes by now. We've done those inside and out also too, and you can check out our references and on all the Facebook sites for mostly all the Facebook sites for Clallam County, the Olympic Peninsula. You can find us there too. You just put in Port Angeles-Sequim, Washington, car wash man. You guys have a great day.